We got this pinch joint to take out here. This brake hose is being held by a zip tie, lovely. Alright, now we have that disconnected. We also have the sway bar link disconnected off to the side here. The clip that holds it on. We have also the 17mm bolt on the bottom disconnected. Okay.
That dropping scares
the box for the shock, so I don't want to hold the whole knuckle and the rotor on the weight of the axle. So let's just support it. Put it, flat on the side.
Or can we use the tire, the wheel,
to support it? No, what are we going to sit on? Hey. So on the top side, we want to take off these 3 bolts, the 12mm, and it just drops right down. Now we also have this strut brace off pressure. So when we put the shock back in, we're going to want to push down and compress it. Probably this will be the easiest bolt to start with. All right, so shock is going in. All right, yeah, like that. Straighten it out. Can we get it on this side? Alright, we'll get rid of that box soon. We have them threaded on, but not all the way. Leaving just a little bit of gap so we can still move it around on the bottom while we do the final protection points. Alright, now that we have this tooth inside, we can see clearly through it. We can put a bolt on to thread in. Like all the preliminary connections. We're going to tighten this up, not all the way, then we're going to tighten the sway bar link and the brake hose. Left? Oh, right, so right. Stop there. One more. Alright, you're good. And I was going to thread back on the speed wheel sensor. 14mm. Next one, converter, and we got the brake hose situated. So from the bottom, squeeze it in. Now we're going to try to fit this up into here. I got it in, now we're going to try to feed it upwards. And then after it's tightened everything down, we're good to go. 14 is installed. Brake line is tightened down. And the bolt all the way on the bottom is 17 mil. 1-inch knuckle is installed. And up top, tighten down the 3 bolts. Should be nice and set.